Having trouble with a Steam game that won't update? Here's how to fix it step by step. First, restart your Steam completely. Close it from the system tray and reopen it. Second, check your internet connection and switch to a wired connection if possible for stability. Third, clear the system download cache by going into Settings and then Downloads and then Clear Cache. Fourth, change your download region in Steam settings to a nearby server and restart the client. Fifth, verify the integrity of game files by right-clicking the game and go into Properties and then Installed Files and then verify integrity of files. Sixth, ensure your disk isn't full. And seventh, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall software that might block Steam updates. Eighth, run Steam as administrator so it has full permission to update files. Ninth, move the game to another library folder or drive if the update still failed. Finally, if nothing works, uninstall and reinstall the game. Your save files are usually back to the Steam clouds. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.